Hey guys, so today's video I'm gonna show you guys real quick the importance of why you gotta name your images properly and how that helps you improve your rankings in Google. So let's dive right into it. So for a quick search, I'm putting Vancouver plumber. And now when I go to images, we're gonna get a bunch of photos that come up. And I'm gonna use the example of this guy down here. I've already pulled this photo up. So you can see here, he's got an image titled up here, Vancouver-plumber.png. Now, the reason why this is important is that Google is able to scan the page. I'll show you the page that it lands on. It's this page right here, Vancouver Plumber. We got his photo right there on the right-hand side. But the main reason why this is important is that a lot of times people send images over and they have text like WhatsApp backslash 2021 October 1st, or we'll send photos with like screenshot backslash the time and date, or like we'll get the photo straight out of the camera with like DC 125652221. Now, granted, it could be easy to just kind of upload and upload those photos away. But the thing is that we want to do everything we can to improve our rankings in Google and to make sure that Google is able to understand the page that we're talking about. So another example here I'll pull up here is this example of this guy here on the bottom left side. We see the page is Plumbing Vancouver, the best Vancouver plumbing, but his photo says Kits Plumbing. So this tells you that Google is able to understand that Kits, which is a neighbor for those of you that aren't part of Vancouver, is a neighborhood in the greater Vancouver area, and understand that Kits is part of Vancouver, so it's able to pull that and put that together. Because once again, I just put Vancouver plumbing in the search, and I got this dude ranking number 4, the other guy down there ranking number 10 in images. Now, this is often a forgotten area that people don't think about when they think of improving their rankings. Most people focus everything on the front page, but Google is putting a lot of emphasis on images as well. And if Google is able to read your images better, it's also going to be able to better rank your page because it can read the entire context of the page and understand that this page is about plumbing. Like I'll use this photo here, for example. If I pull this photo up, you see it's a photo of someone's having a faucet issue, there's a leak problem, there's clearly an issue that someone has to call a plumbing. And in his case, he's called the photo Reliable Vancouver Plumber. Now, I understand what he's doing. He wants to rank for the terms Vancouver Plumber. It's a very simple process, but a more fitting photo would be faucet leak or water faucet problem so that Google can understand, okay, this guy not only is a plumber, but anything related to faucet leaks and faucet problems, I could send that information. I could send people to his webpage and his site and his services. So once again, when you're uploading photos, sending photos to your website, don't just send everything you have. Take the time to go over the photo, look at it, analyze it, see what's happening in the photo, and describe that in the file name itself. Yes, it's a lot of work at the front of things, but once you have that done, it's much more easier for you to start ranking in Google and improve your SEO. If you have any questions, feel free to contact me. If not, enjoy the rest of the day. If you got some sunshine, soak up some of that sunshine, baby, and take care. Bye.